SPSS, so let me explain how you enter data in this particular software. So we have the data view and variable view. You click variable view, then under name, let's assume that you collected data on ages maybe of student of a particular university like Strathmore University. So you write age, you will place it under the numeric because we are going to use numbers to present age, but yes, that is it. So width, we can leave it as 8. So age, because we want our data to be in whole number, we can decide to reduce decimal to 0. So label, we can say age of students, age of students, correct, students, correct. Then we have values. So values of age, we leave it that way because we don't want to code it. We'll just write it random 3, 4, maybe 20. Missing value, we are assuming that the data set that we collected from the field has no missing value. All the respondent answered the question, which is hypothetical. Then alignment, we can align to the left. Then measure. So age is, since we'll be using numbers, well, let's write age as age in scale. I'll explain scale. Yes. Or we can use yes, then the role we can leave it that way. So let me go to gender. Okay, so gender, we are also going to use numbers to present gender, but I'll explain it is counterintuitive on this end. So decimal gender, I'll place it at 0. So let me write gender of students as our labels. It's the same as the description. So our values here now we will change. So because gender is not normally depicted in terms of numbers, now we can use value. Let's say 1, we label it as male. So whenever we input 1, it will mean male. Then if I put 2 or 0, it will mean female. We are assuming that only males and females were the respondents in the field. I'm being told that it is incomplete. Let me check. 0 is female, 1 is male. That is correct. Female, male, correct. Okay. Then missing, we are also assuming that there is no missing values from our data set. So gender is normally a nominal, meaning that we cannot say that, for example, male gender is higher than the female gender. So that is it. So allow me to use these two to explain. So let me go to the data view. Under the data view age, so I'll put 1. I'll put 0. You know what I mean. 1, 1, 1, 0. Under the gender, no, age I can say 20, sorry, 23, maybe 45, maybe 23, 42, and so forth, so on, so forth. So let me say that. So gender, we said male is 1, female is 0. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. The reason why you are seeing dots when I'm inputting the data set is because it has already been coded. That is why. So I'm going to analyze using what is termed as the descriptive statistics. Under the frequency, I'm going to analyze my gender. So I'm input gender there. Under the statistics, gender, we cannot find meaning gender. It doesn't make sense. Let me see what we can find here. We can skip that and go to charts. Let me see charts. We can present it using the bar chart. That's okay. So we are also going to display the frequency tables, correct? So let's see what we generate. Yes, so as you can see, we have valid 7. There is no missing value because we did not indicate any missing value. And you can see female are 2, male are 5, total is 7. And that is it. So if you want to copy it, you can copy that particular this particular data set, and you do what? You can paste it in a Word, and the process continues. Bye bye.